Hi, class. Let's talk about CRM and activity number one. So, this will cooperate. One thing to know about CRM is that it first started as a concept that researchers or sales researchers came up with, and customer relationship management was the concept. Not quite sure it's a theory, but that we should manage our key relationships with our customers. And part of managing all of that is tracking our interactions, who we're talking to at the company, what the relationships are like, etc. A lot of the things CRM actually does. So it started as a concept, maybe a theory, and then from that, it was turned into an actual software. So it's a cloud-based software now, and one of the forerunners and still the most, I would say, popular as well as most customizable is Salesforce. And so I became familiar with Salesforce. Oh, this is gonna really date me. Like in 2006, I think, when my company started using it. And so at that point in time, it was just a CRM system. Now it is so much more than that, that it can encompass and does or has the ability to touch any aspect of your business. So from them, they say it's a customer success platform designed to help you sell, service, market, analyze, and connect with your customers. It's all about customers and any way that you need help with customers, or not help, but to help you manage interactions, not just from a sales side. So, what does this all do? You can now manage better your relationships with your customers as well as your prospects. You can track all of your data related to absolutely any interaction. So not only can you do that, but let's say you have a CRM system and you go into it and you're saying, like, you search a certain company that you're prospecting, and you would probably or might find, like, oh, this company is already in there because maybe 5 years ago someone did talk to this company, or we were doing business with this company. You can look that up. You can see the history. You can see all the notes. So when you go to contact someone, you're way more informed and you don't go in blindly. So how it helps you, as you can read, collaborate internally and externally. It'll help you gather insights. You can track a lot of important metrics, and you can also use it for communication. So there are, within the system, you can email from the system using your email. You can have something called Chatter, which is kind of like, oh, I don't know if y'all are old enough to remember, like, instant messaging online, but it's like an instant messaging kind of feature, but you can communicate with other salespeople or other people within your firm that have worked with this company or are maybe on the sales team and working on the deal, and so much more. So for you, your CRM activity number one, here's the link. But again, to begin with all of this, you have to sign up for Trailhead. What is Trailhead? Trailhead is Salesforce.com's gamification of learning system that I've told y'all about, but it's the learning system they use, but they've made it free to everyone. So your access is not tied to me or the university whatsoever. It's your sole account. But you do have your CRM activity number one. We're going to go through what they call a trailhead or a trail. I'm not sure why I have trailhead there. It's a trail. And that's, you're going to learn the basics of their CRM platform, which is very transferable to any other CRM platform. It's not due till Wednesday, March 26th, but I would get it done sooner than later, just get it out of the way. So I tried to sign up again. I've signed up so many times over the years using numerous emails that I just don't have any more emails left. So here's where you go. Sign up with your email or any other account. Turns out I already had my UCO. Regardless, it's going to give you a verification code to verify your email. And then this is what it used to look like. I can't get to this point anymore. I think this is what it looks like, but now, but your role should be student. So then so I've heard mixed things that they do make you do this or they don't make you do this. Regardless, if you need to do this, it's making you do it, the Trailhead Basics module, then do it. It probably takes you like 2 or 3 minutes. You'll earn a badge. Your full CRM activity is this. So these are the specific modules. You can search them. But if you want to go to just the full thing, if you click on this link, then you'll go to the full thing that has all the modules. And you can just click start. And I don't think it takes 5 hours, but I think like some of these take more time because some of the modules are going to be based off of quizzes and some are going to be based off of you actually doing something. So for example, like I've done a lot of these modules, but maybe not in this account. So in the module, this is what it's going to look like. It's going to tell you objectives, what are accounts and contacts. It's going to give you specific steps that you would do within the CRM system. And then generally, at the end of the thing, it has a hands-on challenge. So this hands-on challenge leads you into going into the playground, which is a non-live version of the CRM, and you actually doing all of these things. So, good. I'm going to have to create a playground, and they give it weird names. Okay. So while that's doing that, I'm going to kind of jump back and forth. So you'll have a playground. You might have to do this, create a playground. I don't know how it looks. I'll check back so I can show you what the playground looks like. But basically, you'll complete the different areas. At the end of each one, you earn a badge. You're going to, and I gave you an example. This is what the badge looks like, and it's normally at the end when you earn it. So you're going to screenshot that badge. You're going to put all your badges in order in a Word document. Remember, I can't open Apple documents. Then that's what you submit in D2L. So, okay, now we're ready. So, again, we're going into, so you're in this module for accounts and contacts. Now you have a hands-on challenge, which is part of the module. and they're having you add a contact to an account, or yeah, add a contact to an account. So you launch your playground. And right now it's going to say playground starter. That doesn't help us. We want to go over here to this, and we're working within cells. So we're going to go down to cells. And this is, my home screen for cells. So it does have non-live, well, it's a non-live CRM system, but it has data within it. So what we're going to do is, with this, said we already had an account, all accounts, and so, goodness, sorry, get Cloudy account. So we're going to find Get Cloudy. Why is Get Cloudy not here? Okay, maybe in another step you create Get Cloudy. I will look. Okay, in another step that I have skipped in this, you create Get Cloudy, and now you're adding an account to Get Cloudy. Just read the instructions, as I have clearly not. So you create your account, then you will add this account. So basically it's teaching you the basic skills, like the sheer basics of learning CRM. So in the end, what will that allow you to do? On your resume, you can say basic skills in Salesforce.com. So that's it. And let me know if you have questions. Okay.